Hello beautiful people, hi and welcome back to my channel. So my today's video is going to be about the surprise that we planned for Ami, and I'm going to show you guys how we have planned it, what all I have done. So stay tuned to see how it went. It's Ami's birthday. His wife
October.
and my best friend slash bhabhi. So her birthday is coming on 14th of October, and so that is why we are going to Lower Parel, Phoenix to buy some gift for her in Hamleys, because we want to buy a particular thing from there. So I'll show you guys what we are going to buy exactly from there, and we get it online also, right?
Yeah, but the particular product which I want is not available online.
So it's a very specific product that we are looking for. So we have planned something special for Ami, my sister-in-law, as you may be knowing by now. So, but I cannot give any details right now what we have planned for her,
Yo, she
because she does not know anything. She's sitting right here. Ami, say hi. Hi. We are going Lonavala, but where in Lonavala she does not know that also. So we met Ranvijay at McDonald's and we had a big fangirl moment over there. How are you feeling, Ami, after meeting Ranvijay? And Fennel, you also had a fan moment, na?
Dude, I was for 5 minutes understanding that is he and Vijay or what?
We all are like big Roadies fan, and we just went crazy after meeting Ranvijay.
Aren't we? No, they don't teach this in school. Now my face and I don't know what to do. Thought we were going strong. I thought we were holding on. Aren't we? You and me got a whole lot of history. We could be the greatest things that the world has ever seen. You and me got a whole lot of history. So don't let me go. We can make some more. We can live forever.
So we have finally reached over here. For starters, we have got her to Lonavala, Casa Dios Bungalow. It is beautiful out here. So I will show you guys what I've planned for her, and I have done everything at home. So while I'm executing that, I will show all that to you guys. I can't wait for her to see all the gifts and what her reaction is going to be. She is going to love it. We did have a little bit of mishap. Our cake is not like it used to look like, because one of the handle broke and our cake went flat a bit. So it does not look the same, but it does stays the same. To go now and execute what we have planned for her and set everything up, so she will be surprised for it. Ami, how do you like the bungalow? Just
I'm so excited, you have no clue.
Just look at the fucking bathtub.
It is so amazing.
This is the bathtub over here. This is so good. Let's see the other room. The bungalow is so hot, yaar. Sugar is like, whom am I saying hi to? Here also there is a bathtub. Neha over there. Mihir, Jigar, his wife Dishita, Gaurav in the back. So we are going to now start decorating everything. So we have started putting up the decorations. This is welcome to Hogwarts. Then we have put up Happy Birthday Annie in the Harry Potter font. Our cake is also here. So let's set up the cake also. Don't have the pen. The photo corridor is out of bounds. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you know what that is. Mischief Managed. Again, Harry Potter style Happy Birthday. And all the flags. Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, Hufflepuff. I told him to fly, I'm up to no good. Harry Potter, Happy Birthday, Annie. It's not Leviosa. It's Leviosa. And Wizards only beyond this point. Now we will set up the cake. It's really raining and we're just scared that it does not get destroyed. So let's hope Amy is ready before then and we can set this all up. So we had to change the location again and get everything inside because it was raining a lot. So how did you like the surprise?
It was amazing. I'm so very surprised and I'm so very happy. It is so very amazing. This thing so I like the most. I'm going to keep it in my bedroom. And I like the snitch very much. I'm so excited to see when it flies. And I like the
Harry
camera.
Potter fans.
Yes. And the
We bought from Hamleys was the flying snitch.
Hey, Hamleys, you got it from Hamleys?
Yeah.
Oh, I like
And we are trying to get it to fly. He's trying. Is it flying? What's
है रे
happening?
मैंने ये उड़ा के देखा है पर ये भी बैटरी ठीक से चल रहा नहीं है
I got all amazing things. I like this too. The Guardian.
तुम जैसे वीरों का सहारा है दोस्तों, तुम जैसे वीरों का सहारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों।
ऐसा घर हो रहा है। हाँ, नहीं थोड़ा नीचे से लेता आना।
ऊपर खाली एम्प्टी आया
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video and had fun and enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more such exciting videos, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Adios.